Hi everyone, this is Mr. Noop. Today I'm going to show you one website where you can provide your experience or expertise as a tutor and you can earn money. And if you are a child or a student looking for a tutor, you can come here and you can find one-on-one tutors available for different courses and subjects. So in this platform, you can come and sign up as a tutor and you can take tuition for children with higher education up to K-12. So based on that, you can earn on a hourly basis. So this platform is good for students who are trying to make some extra income, especially undergraduates, graduates, or PhD students. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.